Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Days Inn by Wyndham Hoover Birmingham. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Days Inn by Wyndham Hoover Birmingham. The Days Inn by Wyndham Hoover Birmingham is 20 minutes drive from Birmingham city centre. Guests can enjoy a daily grab-and-go breakfast. Free Wi-Fi and cable TV are included in the simply decorated guest rooms of this Birmingham hotel. In-room tea and coffee making facilities are also provided as well as a work desk. A fitness center is on site at the Galleria Birmingham Days Inn and guests can use the hotel's launderette. A business center is available for added convenience. The Riverchase Galleria is 0.5 miles from this hotel and Hoover Stadium is 10 minutes drive away. Oak Mountain State Park is also 10 miles from this hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.